Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana and Pokey. Welcome to our kitchen. So today we are going to make something that you guys are going to love. We're going to make a potato frittata, which is potatoes. Usually, it's originally it's made with eggs, but we are not going to use that because why? Right? Why? We're going to use something else that is highly nutritious and way better, okay? We are going to make that and I bet you're going to love. So first we're going to start by boiling the potatoes. I don't want the potatoes to get too cooked, okay? They're supposed to be cooked but firmer, okay? So, cats in the kitchen are so that's my kitchen. It's my cat. It's my channel, okay? So they rule the house, okay? They allow me to live here. They're gonna be here always. By the way, this is not what I use for cooking, okay? It's just for the filming. So don't need to give yourself a nosebleed, okay? So let's go back to the recipe. Meanwhile, we're going to make the deliciousness to substitute the eggs. We're going to use the good old chickpeas. So to that we're going to add salt and pepper. And you can add nutritional yeast if you want. Water, a little bit of baking powder or baking soda, some lemon juice, and blend. Now, why did we add lemon juice and baking powder? We don't want it to raise. No, we don't. But what we want is to get crunchiness and to increase the crunchiness in recipes when you shallow frying them, deep frying them, roasting them, something like that. If you add baking powder or baking soda and then you add vinegar, white vinegar, or lemon juice, the combination of both is going to create a chemical reaction that is going to make tiny small bubbles that translates into pockets of air that it's going to become crispiness. So that's what we want. So that's a good tip for you guys. No need much. You're not going to taste it whatsoever, but you're going to feel it. Now, the most important part of this recipe, the most important thing, what it is, Pokey? A good frying pan. And what are the good ones? The expensive ones and the new ones, okay? So if you have a cheaper one, but it's new, okay, it has to be impeccable. Otherwise, it's going to stick to the bottom and it's going to ruin the beauty of this dish because although it's so simple, it's supposed to look put together, right? I had some difficulties because as you can see, my art is a little bit damaged, but I got a new one and I hid away because nobody's gonna use it. You grease it with olive oil and then you add a little bit of butter because the butter, the vegan butter, it's going to add that brown skin that we love so much, and that's due to the vegan butter because the solids in the milk, the vegan milk that is made the butter, it's going to allow it to happen. Now, low heat. Be careful when you flip it. Add more oil and vegan butter. And voila, ready. You can add vegetables, you can add whatever you have left in your fridge. A small piece of broccoli that you would otherwise throw it in the trash, use it. A small piece of carrot, grate it and use it. I love with this, you know what? Onions. Oh, ooh la la, it's amazing with onions. It's amazing. So, like I said, ready. How about this beauty here? And it's so easy, isn't it? Let me tell you this, kids love it because kids are crazy about potatoes, aren't they? I mean, most kids, I think. And it's so versatile. If you put more vegetables, it will be a complete meal because then you're gonna have the carbs, you're gonna have the protein, you're gonna have the fat. It's going to be like perfect because are you lacking creativity? Sometimes I am, because I work so much testing recipes and making different things that when it's time for me to cook for myself, I'm like, pizza. But sometimes I make this and it never fails to amaze me, because every time I add something different to it, apart from the potatoes and the onions, because I don't know why I didn't put it here. Actually, I should have. Next time. So make it and let me know how much you love it and how much the kids love it, because they will do, I promise. If they don't, let me talk to them. I'm gonna like, come on. Are you potato phobic already? Nah, you can't be. Potatoes are good. Ultimate comfort food, isn't it? It is. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please follow me on my social media over here. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments below. Are you gonna make it? What vegetables you gonna put in it? And I'll see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.